Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chantal and we're going to do a nice fish and chip, my version. This is going to be a nice cod that we have, and we're going to batter it with the lighter batter than if you do like with the beer. It's not going to be the typical one. It's going to be my version with flour and cornflakes. So you need an egg as well. So you need cumin, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, a little kick of cayenne pepper, cornflakes, of course, one egg, flour, cod. And here I have nice peeled from the potato I already did in another recipe, which was my pâté chinois. So I will leave the link below if you're interested. So we don't want to waste this, and we're gonna make chips with that with my Super Ninja machine. So with the air fryer, it's gonna be less fat and it's gonna be crispy. It's gonna be very good, and this we're gonna cook to a more healthy way than if we would do deep fry. So we also need salt and pepper, of course, oil. You can use, this is a mix of olive oil with vegetable oil. You can use also just vegetable oil if you want. So we're gonna start with the potato. So here are all my uh, peel of potatoes. They are washed. In fact, when I peeled the potatoes, what I did is I put inside and I covered them with water for at least half an hour. And then, they come clean and they're not turning brown. So that's very important. So once that is done, I kept them inside a bowl, like that is a sealed bowl. So they did not turn brown, which is very, very good and amazing. So we're gonna use them to make the chips. So some peels, as you can see, they are long. So I'm gonna now here in the bottom we have a little bit. We see it was dry. Now the bottom is a little bit wet. I'm gonna remove the water. So we have a nice peels of potatoes. So let's give it a little oil and kick. So with the air fryer, you don't need that much oil, but me, I like to put a little bit more than that though. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna add a little bit onion powder, and that's it. I like them very simple, and we can have a little sauce after with that. So I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. So 20 minutes should be good, but after 10 minutes, I'm gonna flip it. So for the fish, we're going to take some flours and we're gonna add some flavor inside. So onion, one of my favorite ones is onion powder, as well as garlic powder. I like real garlic, but this type of recipe, you need powder. I'm gonna give it a little color with smoke and flavor with smoked paprika. Again, little spice. Salt. Pepper. And I will add some cumin. It's gonna give a good taste. and color. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna mix this all together. And our fish is going to dive into this nice mix of spice and flour. We need as well one egg. Let's take out the cod. I'm gonna add a little bit of white egg because one egg might not be enough. So you can put two if required. It depends of the size of your cod, but these cod are quite big. There's two big pieces, so I think 2 eggs is gonna do. I'm gonna put enough oil. That should do it. At least it covers all the pan, all the cooking pan. So for each pieces of cod, we're going to go in the flour first. Make sure you have everywhere. So it's gonna dry it. Then we're gonna make it go in the egg. One side, two side. If you have a bigger bowl, that would be better, but that's fine. I'm going with that. And after we're gonna go into the nice cornflakes. So we're gonna do all the sides. Make sure we have everywhere. Now my oil, yeah. When the oil comes very more like a water, it means it's ready. So we're gonna fry. It's not deep fry, but it's still gonna fry the fish. And let's do the other one. So I put my second piece inside. So my heat is approximately medium high now. Beginning I put it high just to make the oil boiling, like hot enough. Now I just put it lower. Let's check our little chips. They're getting nice. She started to color, started to be brown. I'm gonna flip them. It smells so good, the fish. So now the moment of truth, because on one side is gonna be enough. I think I need to. I want to flip it. Yeah. Okay. I did it without too much breaking it. And there's a big piece like that. It's not the. Okay. One part, second part. Okay, voila. Look how nice the color is. This looks very, very much appetizing. It's a little bit undone, but the pieces were big. I should have cut them. I should have cut them in two, three each. It's fine. All this. Here we go. Let's go. Them down. So, so now I put it to lower volume. So while this is going to be done, I'm going to do my little sauce to go with the fish. That's going to be very good. So it's mayonnaise, little sweet pickles. I have hot mustard, capers, and um, lemon, of course. And if you don't have all these ingredients, you can just use mayonnaise with relish. This is basic and very good, but I like it to put it one step further to the next level with the mustard and these ingredients is going to give them better kick. So let's do the sauce. So to show you now the fish should be almost done. If you look at here, yeah, there's a white, there's no more translucent, so it means it's perfectly cooked. We're going to turn off the stove, and we're going to put them inside. Nice bowl. Because we don't want to let them rest inside the oil once it's cooked. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now. You see the flesh is very tender. It's excellent fish. Okay, let's remove that from the fire. What's this one? Let's check our potatoes. Yeah. So our little chips are coming to life. See how it turns. I will put them the 2 minutes left. So 20 minutes is perfect, and you turn them a couple times during the cooking time. So it's gonna have the sweet. You're gonna have the caper, which are a little bit acid and has a lot of taste. That's the sign of the potatoes ready. I'm gonna add a twist of lemon, nice mustard, we're gonna mix it. Yeah, that's a nice sauce. Shit. And put salt. Just mixed it. So this is my nice version of cod with cornflake batter with chips and a nice tartare sauce. Let's put a little drizzle of lemon. Taste this one. This is not very elegant. That's good. And little chips. Yeah, they are really chips. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will try this at home. A nice cod with a nice cornflake crust with some flavor inside. We put some cumin, some paprika, onion, garlic. It's very good. And we did not throw our potato peels, and we made nice chips with that, with a tartare sauce, and of course some lemon with fish. It's always good. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to watch all my video coming. So I wish you the best.